how to draw, how to paint. I find art to be quite a fascinating phenomenon. And it's metaphorically and analogically intriguing because as a research scientist and a music hobbyist, someone who compose, arrange, transpose, someone who composes music and arranges music as a hobby, I find art, painting and drawing to be intriguing metaphorically. There's a lot of fascinating phenomenon I'm learning in the Apple Store class on how to draw, how to paint, in terms of brightness, shades, colors, codes, color coding, tints, contrast. It's a fascinating phenomenon metaphorically. It's metaphysical and phenomenological, intriguing, because what I've noticed is a lot of things I've drawn unfolded in reality. That's a whole different supernatural parapsychological phenomenon. Yeah. But speaking from a creative perspective, softness determines the distance of the art. Basically, art is done on a two-dimensional. I have to take this class today in Apple Store to get more details on how to, because man.